Welcome back to Bertology. Today we're diving into a fascinating shift happening right here in the UK. A quiet revolution in luxury living, a trend that's turning heads from Mayfair to the Scottish Highlands. Billionaires are buying luxury motorhomes. Not just any motorhomes, but ultra-high-end, multi-million-pound rolling mansions packed with technology, privacy, and jaw-dropping design. At first glance, it sounds strange. If you're worth hundreds of millions or even billions, why would you choose a motorhome over a $30 million mansion in Knightsbridge, a private jet, or a super yacht in Monaco? Why trade marble staircases and permanent addresses for wheels and campsites? But once you look deeper, the answer becomes incredibly interesting. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why some of the wealthiest people in Britain are quietly investing in the ultimate symbol of modern freedom. Let's start with one simple word: control. For billionaires, time is the most valuable asset. Not money, not property, time. Every minute is scheduled. Every move is watched, and every location is often public knowledge. Traditional luxury properties, whether in London, Surrey, or the Cotswolds, come with staff, neighbors, press attention, and security logistics. Super yachts require crews, docking schedules, and constant maintenance. Private jets need flight slots and airport coordination. A luxury motorhome changes that equation. It offers mobility without the chaos of airports, privacy without the attention of marinas, comfort without dependence on hotels. You wake up in the Lake District, have breakfast overlooking the water, and by evening you're parked in the Scottish Highlands surrounded by nothing but open sky. No check-ins, no paparazzi, no rigid schedule. This flexibility is becoming more valuable than ever in the UK. Over the past few years, global events reshaped how the ultra-wealthy think about movement and security. Travel restrictions, privacy concerns, and growing public scrutiny made many high-net-worth individuals rethink traditional luxury lifestyles. A motorhome provides a controlled, self-contained environment. It's like carrying your private estate with you wherever you go. And we're not talking about basic caravans. These are engineering masterpieces. Some of these vehicles cost anywhere between $1 million and $5 million, and in some cases even more depending on customization. They feature slide-out sections that expand into full living rooms, heated marble floors, king-size beds, spa-style bathrooms, wine cellars, cinema rooms, rooftop terraces, and even garages for sports cars. Imagine a vehicle that looks sleek and modern from the outside, but inside feels like a five-star boutique hotel. Soft ambient lighting, smart glass windows that tint automatically, AI-powered climate systems, soundproof interiors, high-speed satellite internet, capable of handling global video conferences without interruption. For a billionaire who still runs multiple companies, that matters. They're not escaping work. They're redefining where work happens. Another key factor is privacy. In the UK, public interest in wealthy individuals has increased dramatically. Social media, investigative journalism, and online tracking make it harder than ever to live quietly. Owning multiple properties means public records. Docking a super yacht means visibility. Even private jet movements can be tracked. But a motorhome? It blends in more easily than you'd expect. From the outside, it may look like a high-end touring vehicle. It doesn't scream billionaire the way a 100-meter yacht does. It offers discretion. You can park on private estates, countryside retreats, or secured land without drawing global attention. For those who value anonymity, this subtlety is priceless. There's also the shift in how wealth is perceived. A decade ago, luxury was about size and spectacle. Bigger house, bigger yacht, bigger everything. Today, especially among younger billionaires in tech and finance, luxury is about experience and autonomy. It's about choosing when and where you engage with the world. The UK countryside offers some of the most beautiful landscapes in Europe, from Cornwall's dramatic coastline to Snowdonia's mountain ranges. From the Lake District to the Isle of Skye, there's a growing desire to reconnect with nature without sacrificing comfort. A motorhome allows billionaires to experience these locations intimately. You're not confined to a single estate. You're not separated by hotel walls. You're present. Environmental awareness also plays a role. It may sound ironic, but many ultra-luxury motorhomes now incorporate advanced sustainability features. Solar panels integrated into the roof, lithium battery systems, water recycling technology, hybrid or low-emission powertrains. For billionaires increasingly conscious of their public image and environmental impact, showcasing a more responsible form of travel can align with their personal brand. Let's talk about investment logic. Wealthy individuals rarely buy anything purely for emotion. There's always strategy. The UK luxury property market has faced fluctuations. Stamp duties are high. Political uncertainty influences high-end real estate decisions. A custom motorhome, while depreciating like any vehicle, represents a different kind of asset. It's not tied to one location. It doesn't incur annual property taxes in the same way as large estates. It doesn't require permanent domestic staff. Maintenance costs exist, of course, but compared to running a 20-bedroom mansion year-round, a luxury motorhome can actually be more efficient. No sprawling gardens requiring constant care, no large heating bills for empty rooms, no full-time household staff salaries. It's streamlined luxury. Another interesting angle is security. For high-profile individuals, fixed addresses are vulnerabilities. Static homes are easier to monitor. A motorhome adds unpredictability. Routes can change. Locations can shift overnight. Advanced models even include reinforced structures and discrete security systems. It's mobility combined with protection. There's also a cultural influence. The concept of van life exploded across social media over the last decade. While most of it focused on minimalism, the core idea was freedom. Work remotely, travel anywhere, live on your own terms. Billionaires watched this trend evolve, and instead of downsizing into tiny vans, they elevated the concept to extraordinary levels. They didn't adopt minimalism, they upgraded mobility. The pandemic years accelerated remote work at every level of society. Board meetings went virtual. Investment decisions happened over encrypted video calls. Suddenly, location mattered less. If you can run a company from a penthouse in London, you can run it from a luxury motorhome overlooking the Scottish coast. The difference is the view changes whenever you want it to. Family life is another factor. Some wealthy individuals prefer spending time away from the intensity of city life. A motorhome creates a contained, secure family environment. Children can experience different parts of the UK without constant hotel transitions. It becomes a private, mobile sanctuary. There's also the appeal of exclusivity. Ultra-luxury motorhomes are rare. They're often custom-built in limited numbers. Owning something few others possess holds psychological value in elite circles. When you already have the mansion, the yacht, and the jet, what's next? Something unexpected, something innovative, something that signals forward thinking rather than traditional opulence. And let's not ignore the emotional aspect. Many billionaires built their wealth through high-stress industries. Technology, finance, real estate development. Constant pressure, constant visibility. A motorhome offers a sense of grounded simplicity while maintaining luxury. You can sit under the stars in rural Wales with a glass of wine, knowing you still have every modern convenience at your fingertips. The UK's infrastructure supports this trend as well. High-quality road networks, private estates available for temporary stays, expanding luxury camping facilities, secure countryside properties. It's possible to travel extensively without leaving the country. In uncertain global times, domestic exploration becomes more attractive. We're also seeing a generational transition of wealth. Younger entrepreneurs, especially those who made fortunes in digital industries, often value flexibility more than tradition. They don't necessarily aspire to maintain ancestral estates. They prefer dynamic lifestyles. A luxury motorhome aligns perfectly with that mindset. Interestingly, some billionaires use these vehicles not only for leisure, but for discreet business travel within the UK. Instead of flying from London to Manchester, they travel by road in a fully equipped mobile office. Meetings can happen on board. Confidential discussions stay private. There's no airport security queue, no public terminal, just controlled movement. From a branding perspective, it also tells a story. Owning a super yacht communicates traditional wealth. Owning a hyper-custom motorhome communicates innovation. It suggests adaptability. It hints at a future-focused mindset. For tech leaders and modern investors, that image can be powerful. There's a psychological layer too. Humans crave movement, exploration. Even those with unlimited resources can feel trapped by routine. A static mansion, no matter how grand, becomes familiar, predictable. A motorhome reintroduces spontaneity. Today you wake up to ocean waves. Tomorrow you wake up near rolling green hills. That variability can refresh creativity and mental clarity. We should also acknowledge that the luxury motorhome market itself has evolved dramatically in the UK. Manufacturers now collaborate with interior designers who previously worked on super yachts and private jets. Materials include handcrafted woods, Italian leather, bespoke lighting systems, and cutting-edge insulation technologies. These vehicles are designed to handle British weather comfortably, from cold Highland winters to warm southern summers. Insurance companies have also adapted, offering specialized coverage for ultra-high-value motorhomes. Secure storage facilities exist for when owners are not traveling. The ecosystem supporting this lifestyle is becoming more sophisticated, which further encourages adoption among the ultra-wealthy. Another dimension is discretion during uncertain economic climates. In periods when income inequality becomes a hot topic, conspicuous consumption can attract criticism. A motorhome, even a luxurious one, appears more modest than a new 300-foot yacht. It doesn't dominate headlines in the same way. It's luxury that whispers instead of shouts. And then there's the simple joy of driving. For some billionaires, especially self-made entrepreneurs, there's nostalgia attached to the open road. Before the wealth, before the chauffeurs, there was independence. Driving your own vehicle through the British countryside can feel grounding, authentic. It reconnects them to earlier chapters of their lives. We're witnessing a redefinition of what luxury means in modern Britain. It's no longer only about permanence. It's about adaptability.